chance to run, leave behind the said and done, figure out what's to come. Reasons, all the bigger things I can't ignore. I'm not getting what I came here for. Gotta get ahead of something more. So I think I found a new way out, way beyond a shadow of doubt. 'Cause I can't breathe, and I guess I could be stronger now and leave it up to fate somehow. But I'm doing this for me.
Oh, hello, 1, 2, 3, testing. What is up, guys? It's your DCS back again. So you might be thinking that whether this is a full video. No, guys, it's the short reel series, but with my voice again, because I thought the video was kind of blank in all the other previous videos, so just thought to give it a bit of voice, you know. And this time's car is a Jaguar XJ220, guys, a really cool one. It's got 1 out of 10 in HWR Exotics, not the same as other Hot Wheels claim. This is the legendary supercar from the 90s. Yes, you can't forget this one. It's got the Jaguar logo at the back. Can't wait to unbox this car. It's really cool, guys. Love the design, so simple. And of course the taillights are from some random bus. I can't say more about it. Alright, guys, let's just unbox this car. Let's see what's it got on the hood. Vroom, vroom. Alright, guys, the car is out of the box, and wow, it really looks nice, guys. Very beautiful design. Here you can see the bottom of the car. It says the XJ220. It's really nice. I like the Hot Wheels logo too, kind of nicely imprinted. But if you see on the exterior, details are pretty less, guys. Like seriously, they're so damn less. Not pretty much, except for the Jaguar on top, the sticker. Yeah, except for that, and plus the interior too is pretty nice. You can see the V6 engine there. It's really cool, guys. But rather than that, the wheels are also pretty damn cool, and you have the XJ220 printed there. It's nice. You have the 22 number sticker. It's cool and all, but it misses the best details. Like the rear looks like some, I don't know, some pickup truck back or something. Yeah, it looks like that. So that's it for this car, guys. It's not so very interesting, but the actual car is pretty much better to see compared to this one. The side ducts are also kind of okay type. No side view mirrors, just the random Hot Wheel mess. So yeah, guys, why don't we just go for the info now? And as I told you, this is just the short wheel series, guys, so let's go. And now for the information of the Jaguar XJ220. Going for the top speed, guys. The top speed is 217 miles per hour, which is 349 kilometers per hour. That's a seriously good top speed. Time about its engine. Its engine is a 3.5 liter dual overhead cam V6. Yes, this car had a V6, guys. And moving on to the horsepower. The horsepower of this car is 542 horsepower, which is really not bad back in the day. So yeah, guys, that is the short info, and I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, hit the subscribe button. I'll see y'all next week. Comment your thoughts below. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.